Hi Free Americans, I'm the Ancient Warrior and welcome back to Prepping in Free America. Today we're going to do an unpacking video from Mre Depot. Now you see how this has been packaged up? Guys, these people do an excellent job when it comes down to how they ship things. Adjust this a little bit more. These people do an excellent job. So let's start with opening this dude. Got the trusty SOG out. You know, in the future we're going to do a video on pocket knives and knives in general. Because if you notice, it doesn't take this knife very much to get it done. Okay, now folks, I'm going to tell you the price got to do a couple of things here. I'm going to show you the price of what this cost me to get it here. And if you can see, it started out at $118. I paid $106 to get it here. Now, I am not an affiliate of Mre Depot. Oh man! See all the packing? Here we go again. Mre Depot believes in nesting things, which is a great idea in my book. It's one of the reasons I buy a lot from them, or have been buying a lot. So let's get the trusty SOG out. We got to do this again. Now what I bought here, folks, is freeze-dried fruits. Okay, top one, freeze-dried strawberries. We're going to open some of this stuff in here in the next week or two. Organic peaches. I've already opened a can of these. These are great. Go in my oatmeal and, oh, heaven above. Now, if I could find some peach powder, not that imitation peach flavoring that has all those chemicals in it, but peach powder from peaches, I'd buy that in a heartbeat. Raspberries. Kids, I'm a big fan of fruits. Ooh, freeze-dried whole tart cherries. You know, you can do a lot with all this stuff. Let me tell you about freeze-drying here in a minute. Sliced apples. I used to carry freeze-dried apples back years ago when they first started coming out, and I wouldn't even rehydrate them. I'd just pop them in my mouth because I could chew them up. And it was sweet and gave me the little kick of energy I needed. Freeze-dried blueberries. Folks, blueberries are an antioxidant. Now, why am I telling you you need this stuff? Folks, when it comes down time to the elderly and the children, and even you, the younger folks, you're going to want something sweet from time to time. Right there's the way. Now, yours truly went brain dead here a while back, and I bought some stuff that I probably didn't need, but I'm still going to show it to you. So I told you sometimes I'm not the brightest bulb on the tree. With that being said, folks, Mre Depot, you saw how that came unpacked. Folks, Mre Depot are some of the best people in the world to get stuff from. And they're quick. So with that being said, I'm the Ancient Warrior. And remember, if you're prepping, you're a free American. And it's better to have this stuff and not need it than need it and not have it. I'm the Ancient Warrior. We're out of here.